everyone. As we are in festival mood, Diwali is around the corner. So let's make something healthy, special and exciting. The recipe which I am going to make today is from my cookbook. It's very healthy and sugar free and it is prepared with dates and dry fruits. So let's start with our recipe. So let's start making our dry fruit protein bites, khajur and dry fruit barfi. Over here I have some de-seeded dates. Nowadays we get these de-seeded dates easily in the market and this date should be at room temperature. Now I am transferring my dates, de-seeded dates into blender and I am going to coarse grind this. We'll be giving 5 to 7 pulse and we'll grind this. You can see I have blended our dates and you can see the texture. This is how we want. Now I am going to keep this aside and next I am going to roast mix assorted seeds. So I am taking 2 tablespoons of assorted seeds which I am going to roast. I am going to roast this for 2 minutes until they become crisp, and I have taken flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, cucumber seeds, all assorted seeds I have taken. They are very good for health and they are fully loaded with omega-3. I am roasting my seeds on medium to low. I think our seeds are done, so I will take them into the plate. In the same pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon of ghee and will roast our dry fruits. I have taken all assorted dry fruits, pistachios, almonds, walnuts, cashew nuts, etc. You all can take any nuts of your choice. I am going to saute this, roast this for 2 minutes. So this will give a crunchy texture to our dry fruit rolls. Into this I am adding half a tablespoon of poppy seeds, khaskhas. So they also will be sauteed along with the dry fruits. Poppy seeds, dry fruits, these are all very healthy things. In this I am roasting them on medium heat. And as soon as they become crisp, I am going to take them in the plate. In the same pan, I am adding half a tablespoon of ghee and crushed dates. Once ghee is heated, I have added crushed dates. We are going to cook this on slow flame for 3 to 4 minutes until dates become soft. Now you all can see our dates have become soft and mushy. After 4 minutes of cooking, I am going to add our dry fruits and I will give a good mix. Now I am going to add dry ginger powder, salt powder and 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder, cardamom powder, and I am going to give a good mix. I have added dry ginger powder, salt powder, that is optional. If you wish to add, you can add, otherwise it's okay. You only can use elaichi powder, cardamom powder also. Now you all can see it has become like a dough consistency. So it has become like a dough. I'll off the flame now. Now we'll let this cool down for a while. We will not cool this completely because if we are cooling completely, then it will be difficult for us to work with this. So our date and dry fruits have become nice, not at room temperature, but they've cooled down. So you all can make barfi out of this, you all can make laddu, but today I am forming a log shape. So I am making a log shape to make round barfis. You all can see. So you all can see this has become a nice log. Now I am going to cover this. Here I have roasted all assorted seeds. So now I am going to roll it on assorted seeds. So all assorted seeds will get coated on our date and dry fruit roll. You all can see I have rolled it nicely. So all our sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds all have coated nicely. Our log is prepared now And now I am going to transfer. So you can see our roll is nicely covered with all assorted seeds. Now I have taken a foil. I am going to roll this and let it set in the fridge for an hour. And I am going to tuck it on both the sides. So you all can see. So our roll is set. Let's cut them into pieces and see. I am cutting them into 1 inch thick piece and will show you how it looks. You all can see how nicely it has coated. You all can see it. Here are delicious, healthy, sugar-free dry fruit protein bites. Date and dry fruit burfi is ready to serve. If you liked my recipe, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my channel.